So you wanted to set up, guys, a referral program into the Shopify. So the customers sometimes trust a random TikTok review more than an actual polished brand ad. While ad prices are skyrocketing, referrals give you a near zero CPA because the customers are doing the selling for you. So I'm going to be setting up a give 20, get 20 program that tracks its sales and prevents fraud automatically. First of all, you want to choose an actual engine. You need an actual dedicated engine because nowadays Rebo and Smile are the top picks because they bundle loyalty points with referrals. You want to look for the build for Shopify batched. I'm going to open any tab and look out for smile.io. So here, let's say for example, which is the leading loyalty platform for ambitious Shopify brands, you can just use this to get started. And one of the great tools that this is totally for free. So inside here, I wanted to open a new tab. My first tab should be my Shopify dashboard, which I already signed in. And the other second tab should be the Smile element. Hit for the option that says install. Just like this, Smile will be asking you to grant the access between the application and your Shopify Elements dashboard. So hit into the option that says install, grant the access, and you're actually good to go. This ensures the application won't slow down your site and works perfectly with a new block-based checkout. Now, when you hit install, most of these applications now use the AI to scan your store colors, fonts, so the referral pop-up matches your brand instantly. Now, usually here it's going to be asking you to reward everyone orders with points, for example. So every time a customer makes a purchase, it will be awarded with points that can be used as a discount to the next order. Let's say, for example, that everybody gets 3% of it, all recommended for stores with low profit margins, recommended for most businesses, and recommended for stores with high profit margins. So in my case, let's say for example, if a customer spends $100, they will be getting 300 points, which can be redeemed for $3 discount, right? And so on and on. So I'm going to focus, for example, with this one. Now, easy access to your loyalty program. Let's say, for example, to go for next, customize your loyalty program name. Let's say, for example, retro points. So let's say retro points. I can choose my new brand color since I don't have a brand color. I'm going to be changing this for, let's say, for example, like this. I set a color for my icon text, which is white. Go for next. And here's my start rewarding. So I launched my program, and just like that, here's my rewarding program that has been added. Now I need to make sure that this one is enabled into my store theme. So just like that, what I need to do now is to make sure that this one is now been enabled into my store. For this, I wanted to focus into my store. Let's go for app and beams. The Smile.io should be enabled, and make sure that we saved it after we finished. So when a referral is successful, we will trigger a text message saying your 20% is ready. And let's say tag them as a top advocate for special VIP perks later. So I close this, I make sure that the Smile is now been available really fast, and there we go. Members added appears here. Here, people who have their earning points, redeem their points, the loyalty driven revenue, the member CLB, the redemption rate, and the design my loyalty program style can be edited as I wanted to. So I can show the points to the product page, I can create a CEO friendly loyalty page, I can display points into the order starter page, and so on and on. This is totally optional if you wanted to, but remember that the Smile has a paid plan, so there's a few that might be only enabled if you have an actual premium plan, you might be saying. So a referring program is a setting to the forget it growth engine that scales you as you do. So I put a list of the favorite referral reward templates in the description. If you have any questions, you can let me know into the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Always preview the elements and the changes you have done into your website before you go live. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hopefully guys, with all this being said, we can all see you next time.